What is fungus? Fungus is an organism that will usually grow on your exterior walls, which may be black, green, or yellowish in color. Why it occurs? Walls that are near to plants or trees are more prone to fungus growth due to the presence of spores from its environment. Dampness of cement surface may also promote fungus or mold. Look out for areas near rain gutters, drains, or check any pipe leakage as it is more likely to be affected. How to solve it? Step 1. Identify the problem. Observe its appearance and examine its surroundings. Step 2. Remove the fungus on the surface by brushing, washing, or scrubbing. Step 3. Treat the wall with fungicidal wash and leave it for 24 hours or overnight. Step 4. Wipe off or rinse with water and let it dry completely. Step 5. Apply 1 coat of 5100 wall sealer or acrylic 5170 wall sealer. Step 6. Apply 2 to 3 coats of any products from the Nippon Paint Weatherbond range. Weatherbond Protection Plan. Follow these steps and protect your exterior wall with our 7-year protection plan. Warranty for your walls.